Sani. Hey, ya yima ngovala khululelo chain. Kopha kanjani singaphandle uphambene onambeko kwedini. Funa ningaphopi ningafika enqatheni. Uyabona ndichefu ndimixe nesipayisi ekitchen. Sofana nelwimi ndibese ematheni. Afoti idladla netransi ndikwazi bazophuma ekistini. Akasamphawa zocontrol igame. Khanza phandwa ngumhlaba ukhumbule kaloku andikaphuma edustini. Ndingaphuma edustini and andikaphuma edustini andibambezela singibamba Rashid. Game yabana kumele ndibasile ndenza unothanda ndibashiye befile tefu sinqanda kuyanyanza befile esami style sinqabila saziwa ngeyami ivosa nokukhwaza ngaviwe zinye zafosta umculo waziwa sekhanya voices zingathi ziyabini ayodistractla bengicela ngaliwe kunale maso bengicela ngamiwe sifuna umadini.
You know I'm in it to win it, uthetha ngemali yasoze ngathethi yeah. I'm chasing more than a million, uthetha ngebitches high and ngeni. I'ma look friendly but I'm not into small conversations. Uzonenza late man, bawunamala sthethi now. You know that my pack is loud, louder than the tracks is out. Game's already weighing on me, ain't no need to sweat me out. BFS just put them on lock, you know niggas tapping out. Whoopies only, you know it's a up. Them the niggas slime is loud. Me you a bitch, that type of nigga ain't hanging around. Yeah. I just touched down, now all these haters is calling the foul. Yeah. When I enter the building, niggas be quiet, they making the sound. Yeah. Cause my aura glisten, and my name is the crown. Steph,